Hello and welcome into our second lecture. Today we are going to install JDK 14.0.1. It is a very latest version of the JDK. In last lecture we already discussed the basic of Java. In that we discussed that what is Java, history of Java, and the creators of Java, who invent it, and all those things we already discussed. Today we are going to install a JDK 14. So before start this installation, we must know that what is JDK. In this today's lecture we will discuss that what is JDK. Then we also know that we also see in today's lecture that what are the different components the JDK includes, and then we are going to install the JDK 14. So now start. What is JDK? So we can say that the JDK forms an extended subset of a software development kit. The JDK forms an extended subset of a software development kit, that is SDK. Then what the JDK has? JDK includes the tools for developing, debugging and monitoring the Java applications. The JDK has tools that we are used for developing, debugging and monitoring the Java applications. So to define this JDK, we have two definitions. We have first definition. It is a technical definition. We can say to define a JDK, we have to say that the JDK is an implementation of Java platform specifications, including compiler and class libraries. Okay, the JDK is an implementation of Java platform specification, including compiler and class libraries. We have another definition. We can say it as everyday definition. The everyday definition of a JDK is: the JDK is a software package you download in order to create Java-based application. So to define the JDK, we can say that the JDK is a software package which is required to develop or to create Java-based applications. Okay. So then in the next slide we will see what are the major components the JDK has. So the JDK has JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, is the Java platform component that executes program. To execute our Java programs, we need this Java Virtual Machine. Because of this Java Virtual Machine, it is possible to run a program written in any computer can be executed without modification on any other computer. Okay, the JVM is an important component the JDK includes. The JRE means the Java runtime environment is the on-disk part of Java that creates the Java virtual machine. Okay, the Java runtime environment is the on-disk part of a Java that creates the Java virtual machine. And then JDK allows developers to create Java programs that can be executed and run by the Java virtual machine and Java runtime environment. To elaborate or to explain this concept, that what is JDK and its components, we have an image. This is image. This image is here. In this image, we can see that in the yellow part of this image, Java virtual machine is there. Java virtual machine has a Java interpreter, just-in-time compiler, garbage collector, and thread synchronization. In a blue part of this image, we can see there the JRE. JRE means the Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment has an class loader, Byte code verifier, Java API, and runtime libraries are present in the Java runtime environment. In the green part of this image, we see the JDK. JDK has various tools, or we can say that are the commands or tools. JDK has Java, javac, JDB, appletviewer, and so much tools are there. So from this image we can say that the JDK is a bunch of different tools that are useful to develop, debug, or monitor our Java applications. So now we will going to install the JDK 14. JDK 14 is a very latest Java development kit software. So we will install this JDK 14. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe. Java Development Kit 14. We have to start our browser, then type this address www.oracle.com/java/technologies/java-se-jdk14-downloads.html. After writing this address on the address bar, you will get this web page where you can see that Java SE Development Kit 14 downloads. On this page we have to search for the package which is available for the operating system you are using. Here I am using Windows 64-bit, so I am going to install this Windows X16 installer. It has an 162 MB, so I have to download on this link JDK 14.0.1. So clicking on this exe file, we will get this dialog box where we have to check this checkbox. After clicking on this, the link will be get activated to download. So click on this download. We will get this exe. We have to save the file, and the downloading is going on. This will take the time depending on your networks. Okay, this completes our downloads. So we have to click on this, or you can click on the folder, so you can open the containing folder. I just click on this. Installation start. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java AC Development Kit 14.0.1. So this is the setup program of Java Development Kit. We have to click here on next. Here the installation directory, it is showing. You can change this directory if you want to, and then press next. Here updating the components for registration or registry updating, copying the files. It will take some time. Okay, Java AC Development Kit 14.0.1 64-bit successfully installed. So this completes our installation of JDK, the Java Development Kit. So we have to click on close. After downloading the JDK, we have to check whether the installation is correct or not. So we have to first check on the C drive of our system. We have to go at C drive. In C drive we have to search program files. In program files we have to search a Java folder or Java directory. In a Java directory we found JDK 14.0.1. This installation we done it. If you showing such kind of folder after installation, then Java is installed on your computer. So we have to set the environment variable or system variable for running the Java applications. So we have to click on this JDK folder. Then we found the bin directory. We have to click on this directory, and we have to copy this path, that is the path of JDK which we installed earlier on this computer. So we have to copy this path, and we have to click on this PC property. Then we have to click on the advanced system settings. After that we get the system property window, and in this we have environment variables. We have to click in a system variables. We have to find the path. We have to select the path, click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit, you will get the edit environment variable. So we have to click on new here. After clicking on new, you have to paste the path that we copy, and then press OK. On this window we have to press OK. On system property we also press OK. And now we have to check whether the Java compiler or the JDK is completely installed or correctly installed or not. So we have to go on command line. For that we have to press window key plus R, and we have to type here cmd and press enter. Now we are at a command prompt. So here we have to just type java space dash version version, then we have to press enter. Now here it shows the JDK version that present or that installed on that system. Here the version of the JDK is showing. We installed 14.0.1 version on this system, so it will display the version of Java. So now we have to check for whether the Java compiler is running or not. So we have to click we have to type the command java c, means Java compiler, and we have to press enter. If you found this response, such a response from the command javac, then the Java compiler is okay or correctly installed on your system. So this way we have to install the JDK 14 onto your computer.